If they bring heat, I have to react. He has said this is because of corruption.
With the heat.
But I am also accustomed with this.
Temperatures,
I am also
temperatures,
accustomed.
Mr. Banerjee,
Yes,
One side. It is
temperatures
not
are,
one side.
Mr.
I am
Banerjee,
also accustomed how the councils are attacked me. I am also accustomed. The point is this is a listen, my lord.
Why you are getting
No, I am not.
temperatures are
After
soaring
seeing
to
a lot-
40. Let's not raise it further.
No.
Temperatures are soaring
No,
to 40.
You see,
It's very hot outside.
why is it
Mr.
corrupt? In that case, your lawsuit will find 300 or 400 applications are there. Now, if kindly decide first whether lawsuits will go into the appeal or not. If the appeal is hard, everything will be decided. If the applications are, then the applications will
No,
go
we
to
will hear the appeal. Yes, we heard the appeal.
appeal. Therefore, my lord, kindly fix up any other date.
No copy of the application, sir. It's very unfortunate. Now they are asking for take about the other.
The lordship may simply ignore the applications and continue hearing the
We
appeal.
will start hearing the appeal.
Yes.
Whatever applications are there, there will be counsels for that. We will consider their prayer. Unless otherwise it gets bogged down, we cannot proceed further. So let it start, Mr. Banerjee. Let it start.
They are enlarging the scope of the read application. It's totally
That we will consider. We will consider. Ashutal, we will
Item
hear it.
37, my lord, there is a application for addition of party in item 37. So lawsuit will consider it now or
Let the appeal hearing start. Whatever applications are there, we will consider their submissions also, whichever order Mr. Bandyopadhyay is pointing out.
my lord,
we
that
will
is
go into it and we will consider.
for
Yeah.
addition of party, my lord. That's the performance.
Then we are fixing it on 7th at 2 p.m. Mr. Shami Ahmed, it will not end on one day. Let it start. Let us
After
proceed
vacation,
further.
let it start. It starts after vacation. My lord, kindly see, this will not be finished before vacation.
They have waited
My lord, your lordships have seen that the other matters which I was arguing, your lordships have to, my lord, circuit bench, your lordships have
come to the court
My lord,
after
during-
7 years.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, we have to start. Na? We have to
I
start.
don't mind.
Let us start. Let us see how much time they take. And if it spills over the vacation, that is another issue.
But on 7th, my lord, your lordship keeps it at 2 o'clock.
But after board, your lordships give me chance, I will argue. After board, your lordships give me chance. After board submission.
Yes.
If your lordships give me chance, I will argue.
Yes, you argue. Let them finish it off. As you had been the lead counsel, you argue, then we will hear others if so.
Would your lordship indicate regarding these 3 documents which are
We
required to
shall
be
not indicate, this is understood.
understood?
We should not add words to what has been given, that will create further complication. It is a matter of such a wide ambit, whatever we say, that
I
may be
understand.
interpreted in some other. So it is understood, you please exchange your soft copies. You exchange
Yes.
your soft copies so that we can commence hearing on 7th.
একটা আইপ্যাডটা কিনে দিলাম কিসের জন্য? এই যে আইপ্যাডটা, একটা আইপ্যাড যে
You are the successful candidate who is working.
We are all the successful. He's unsuccessful.
We are successful. We are successful. Corruption will become unsuccessful.
No corruption, no. Nothing.
Don't say about corruption.
I am
Don't say corruption. Don't say corruption.
No allegation of corruption.
These council, my lord, this council for unsuccessful candidates. Only one target is this. Only yes, he will go. World is also
Why were you
saying.
sleeping?
The blood kindly see.
Why were you
His
sleeping?
endeavor is nothing. I am unsuccessful candidate. Therefore, terminate everyone's service.
Everyone.
That is his target. Since I have not become successful, what is the fear? What is the why? Since I have become unsuccessful, therefore everyone is terminated. And when staying in the court, everybody's service should be terminated. Here they are asking, they are coming for the client. Well, kindly see.
After expiry of panel.
Let us start.
Cross objections would be there.
Yes.
We should be mature enough.
There is no problem. There is no.
Only
There is no.
endeavor because he
take away job.
There is no process. There is no process.
Give appointment to us.
This will not end us to anything.
2017 selection process.
My lord, we will argue. My lord, we will show to your lordships. We will show to your lordships how there can be a judicial indiscipline because two judgments in respect of this matter have been ignored by the learned single judge. And if your lordship says why Mr. Samim alone, even the learned single judge who has passed the judgment,
Mr.
is
Bhandobadhyay, let us not do it.
no. I'm saying the learned single judge who has delivered the judgment now openly is saying, I will see how the
Bhandobadhyay,
32,000.
why you are going into that? We are on- But simply bringing up the heat, sir.
Bringing, no, I have not brought it. The great council has come here, he has said corruption. That's the reason he is there. No, your lordship do not allow to bring the heat by them. If they bring heat, I have to react. He has said this is because of corruption.
We are
That's,
accustomed with this heat, Mr.
my lord,
Accustomed.
which
We
one?
are accustomed with this heat.
My lord, I am also accustomed with this.
Temperatures,
I am also
temperatures,
accustomed.
Mr. Banerjee,
Yes,
One side.
temperature.
It is
temperatures
not
are,
one side.
Mr.
I am
Banerjee,
also accustomed how the councils are attacked me. I am also accustomed. The point is this is a listen, my lord.
Why you are getting
No, I am not.
temperatures are
After
soaring
seeing
to
the
40. Let's not raise it further.
No, what?
Temperatures are soaring
No,
to 40.
You see,
It's very hot outside.
where is the
Mr.
corruption?
Banerjee.
No, kindly see. For making a reel,
Even the SC is
listen,
not working.
listen. For making a reel and send it to the outside and minting money on the basis of the reel by the council, that is not helpful. That is not helpful.
Let us think of the litigation.
Corruption.
Let us think of the litigation.
But this will start from 10:30.
Corruption.
So let us not combat on that.
Chacha chakri khao.
Why you are shouting like this, sir? Why you are shouting?
If there was a panel, the thing would have been panel as such.
Let us start on 7th. Let us start. We will get your hearing.
The Lokidar
Convenience being
Lokidar Borer
convenience. If any order is required, but I will.
Where you? Where you?
One of the appellates in item number. I am one of the appellates. I am a person service. Now, Miller, my case is squarely different.
Mr. Bhattacharya, let us start. On 7th, they will be arguing. And when Mr. Bandobadhyay and Mr. Bhattacharya and Mr. Mojumdar, whoever asks, starts at Yes, thank you.
Give love to your lordship.
Yes, yes.
WhatsApp.
I am meeting with your lordship after few times.
WhatsApp.
Uh-huh.
Ratuler WhatsApp. Sir.
I am appearing after few minutes, after few hours again.
We are ready for that.
I am also ready.
Yes.
Mala, in item 37, this matter, my lord. Item 37, there is a two application for additional party. That will be considered.
Addition of party, let them start.
Yes.
Let us ascertain we will hear. আচ্ছা তুমি না এই যে যতগুলি অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস আছে না